What is a probate sale? A probate sale is an essential legal process for managing and settling an estate after the death of a loved one. When a person passes away, their property often needs to be sold to pay off debts, taxes, or distribute remaining assets to beneficiaries. This sale is overseen by the court, specifically the Surrogate's Court in New York, ensuring fairness and transparency. The probate sale helps executors and beneficiaries handle the complexities of estate settlement and ensures that all legal obligations are met before assets are distributed. Law and legalities of probate sales in New York. Probate sales are governed by specific laws that dictate how the process should be managed. These laws ensure that the estate is settled in an orderly and lawful manner. The estate's executor or administrator must get authorization from the Surrogate's Court to sell any property. This court-supervised process protects the interests of creditors, beneficiaries, and other involved parties. Before a sale can proceed, the executor must first obtain letters testamentary, which legally empower them to act on behalf of the estate. Once this authority is granted, the sale can move forward under court supervision, ensuring compliance with all relevant regulations. For those unfamiliar with the legal landscape, navigating a probate sale can be overwhelming. Lawyers experienced in New York probate law can offer valuable assistance, ensuring that all procedures are followed correctly and avoiding potential disputes. Attorneys also play a crucial role in helping executors understand their responsibilities, especially regarding the complex regulatory and court approval processes required in New York. When is a probate sale necessary? A probate sale is usually necessary when there are debts, taxes, or other obligations that must be settled before the estate can be distributed to beneficiaries. There are a few primary reasons that a probate sale might be required: outstanding debts and financial obligations. If the deceased left behind significant debts or taxes, a probate sale can liquidate real estate assets to cover these expenses. Will provisions. Sometimes, the deceased's will explicitly states that certain property should be sold as part of the probate process. In such cases, the estate administrator is obligated to follow the terms of the will. Beneficiaries' preferences. In situations where the will does not require a sale, beneficiaries may agree that selling the property is in their best interests. This can help avoid conflicts and ensure that everyone receives their share of the estate. Disputes among beneficiaries. Selling the property can be an effective way to resolve disputes between beneficiaries. Instead of dividing the property itself, the estate can sell it and distribute the proceeds equally. Estate settlement requirements. Probate sales are often necessary to settle the estate and close out its financial responsibilities. Once debts and taxes are paid, the remaining assets can be distributed according to the deceased's wishes. Process of a probate sale. Selling a property through probate in New York follows a set of specific legal and procedural steps. Understanding these steps can help the executor manage the process effectively. Obtaining letters testamentary. The executor must first obtain letters testamentary from the Surrogate's Court, which legally authorize them to manage the estate. Without this document, no property sales can take place. Handling creditor claims. Once the court issues letters testamentary, the executor must publish a legal notice allowing creditors to file claims against the estate. This process usually lasts 6 months, and during this time, no property sales can be finalized without court approval. Marketing the property. After addressing creditor claims, the property can be listed for sale. The executor typically works with a real estate agent to market the property, attract buyers, and negotiate offers. Setting an asking price. A professional appraisal helps determine the property's market value and sets a fair asking price. This ensures that the sale generates enough funds to settle the estate's debts and provide fair distribution to beneficiaries. Finalizing the sale. Once an offer is accepted, the sale must be approved by the Surrogate's Court. The executor also needs to ensure all tax obligations are settled, including obtaining necessary tax waivers. Transfer and recording. After closing, the final steps involve paying any transfer taxes and recording the new deed. This ensures the buyer obtains clear ownership of the property and that the sale is legally complete. Throughout this process, an attorney's guidance is crucial in ensuring that every step is properly executed, including court approvals and meeting the legal requirements to finalize the sale. Managing a probate sale can be a challenging and emotionally difficult task. Whether it's navigating the legal intricacies or ensuring compliance with state regulations, having the right support is essential. At Sishodia PLLC, our experienced probate lawyers are dedicated to guiding you through each step of the process. From obtaining court approvals to handling creditor claims, our law firm provides comprehensive assistance for all your probate needs. Contact Sishodia PLLC at 833-616-4646 or visit us at 600 3rd Avenue, 2nd floor, New York, New York, 10016, to schedule a consultation. Let our team of dedicated attorneys ensure that your probate sale is handled with professionalism and care, allowing you to focus on what matters most during this challenging time.